Yan na,
Start
nag-counting
na?
ba siya? Counting. Asa si Adi? Ipin lang ti ka, Adi.
Wait ha. I think makuan na ko. I-open lang dyan akong chat box para
Okay,
makita ang PPT.
sige daw.
Okay. Lang. Naguba ni noon ang kalibutan. Piste.
Yan naman.
Ano man ni? Uy,
Sagda na lang eh.
cancel. Ala, bugo ba yan na?
Oh,
Wait
kinsa
lang,
man
wait
bayhan na.
lang. Wait,
Ay, si katawa din ang Mary Jane. Agtang nakita. Ay, masuko urbos misa na mong kilay. Ah. Suko ba yun siya? Mga naana, kilay ni Kuan ay Mary.
Okay, mag-start ako. 3,
Go.
2,
Okay.
1.
All right. So we are done to the landforms, which is the last one is the valley. All right. So we will go now to our next one. But can you guess what is the next Earth landforms that we are going to talk to? Can you type it in our chat box if you have any idea? Do you have any idea what is the next landforms? Wow, yes. Let's see if it is a desert. Let's see. Can you next it, teacher Lisa? Wow, very good. You are right. You are very good in guessing, my dear pupil. So the next one is a desert. So can anyone please read this one for us? Can I have a hand? Okay, can I have Embosado to read this part?
Deserts are the hot and dry areas of the world. Deserts experience very high temperatures, less cloud cover, low humidity, low atmospheric pressure, and very little rain, which makes them have minimal vegetation cover.
All right. So that is a desert. And also in desert, everyone, I know you can feel when you hear the word desert, it is very hot, right? But in a desert, everyone, it's a place on earth it's right that gets very little rain. And it's usually hot and dry, but some desert can also be cold. So not all deserts just just hot, but some of the desert can be cold because deserts have sandy or rocky land, and weather is often very hot during the day and cold at night. So as you can see, we have here the kind of plants. What do you think it is? The arrow that is pointing. Can I have a hand? How about hapal? What is that? What kind of plant is that?
A cacti teacher.
Yes, a cacti or a cactus. All right, so we can find like this plants like cactus or cacti that store water in their stem. So we can see this in the desert. So in the desert, everyone, it how deserts are made. So deserts are made in places where rain doesn't fall often. That also wind blows away moisture and mountains block the clouds so rain can't reach the land over time. And the land becomes dry and turns into a desert. So that's how deserts are made. But what do you think that even in the desert it's usually hot, but there's still plants and animals that could live in the desert. So what do you think it is? Can I have a hand? All right. Can I have Martyrilius?
Animals that live in this desert teacher is scorpion.
Scorpion. Yes, that is right. How about another hand? How about Kabukos?
Camels teacher.
Well, again, what is that?
Camel teacher.
Yes, camel. It is usual. We can usually see camels in the desert. Another one. Can I have Baguio?
Cactus teacher.
Yes, as you can see in the picture. How about last one? Any idea? All right. How about Ladra?
With the plants teacher, aloe vera.
Yes, aloe vera as well. So yes, those your answers are correct. Very good. So we will go now to the another trivia for today about the desert. So can you next it please, teacher Lisa? So here, this one is the largest hot desert in the world, in the Sahara. So it's in an Africa, everyone, and it is bigger than the whole United States. So can you imagine? United States is so big, no, and then we have this desert that is so big than the whole United States. So meaning this desert Sahara is so big than the United States. So it's so amazing, right? So that is a desert. So we will go now to the next landform, which is, can you next it please, teacher Lisa? The the plains. All right, plains. So here we all know this. I know we all know this, and you all know this. So can anyone please read this for us? So can I have Bagya to read this one?
Plain. In geography, a plain is a large area of land with no hills or mountains.
All right. So since from the word plain, of course, they are just plain, a large area of land with no hills or mountains, and they are large. It is large. I mean, flat areas of lands with very few trees, and they are wide and open, and they stretch out like a big green blanket over the earth, right? It's so nice to see a plane like this. But how planes are made? So planes are usually formed over a million of years as well by the erosion when when wind, water or ice wear down mountains and carry the soil to lower the lands. So example, we have the flooding rivers. So rivers carry the mud and sand which gets spread out when the river floods, making the land flat. So that is about the plains. But what do you think can animals and plants can be found on plains? Can you give me some? Can I have a hand? Can I have ambassador again?
Cows teacher.
Yes, very common. Cow. Thank you. How about hapal?
Grasses teacher.
Yes, of course, grasses. Another hand. Ladra. Yes, Ladra. I think Ladra is having an unstable connection right now at this moment, but those examples that you gave everyone are correct. We can also see rabbits, foxes, or commonly the tall grasses like the wheat or the rice, right? We can see that on a plane. All right. So another trivia from plane. So can you next it please, teacher Lisa? So here, do you know that the largest plains we call that steppes or savannas? So these can be found again in places like Africa, Russia, and the United States. Right? So a while ago we could every big or largest or tallest we could usually see it on Africa, right? So it's so amazing that Africa have that kind of uh, landforms in their country. So amazing. Another trivia that and I know you know all this, that plains are great places for farming, of course, because they are plain and because they have rich soil. That's where we get a lot of our food. Yes, so that's the trivia about the plains. So since we are done to the plains, we will go now to the another earth landform. So can you next it please, teacher Lisa? All right, so we will go now to the cliff. So can anyone please read the cliff? The definition of cliff. Can I have a hand? Yes, Kabunak, you can read that for us.
Cliff. Cliff is an area of rock which has a general angle defined by the vertical or nearly vertical. Cliffs are formed by the processes of weathering and erosion with the effect of gravity.
Okay, thank you for reading for us. So, a cliff, everyone, this one is a very steep wall of rock or the land. So, it's like a big drop on the side of a mountain or near to the ocean. So, it's just imagine standing at the edge of a giant step. So, that's what a cliff looks like. All right, so but teacher, how are cliffs made? All right, let me explain it to you. So, cliffs are made by nature over a long time. They can be formed by water from the ocean or river washing away the land. It could be wind and rain wearing down the rocks. It could be, earthquake or volcanoes pushing land up or breaking it. So these things, everyone, make the land break or drop suddenly to form a cliff. So that's how cliff are made. So since we are having this earth landform, can you give me what lives on the cliff? Can you give me? Can I have another hand? So can I have dagatan? Yes, dagatan.
Tiny flowers, teacher.
Yes, very good. Tiny flowers. Another hand. Yes, Amayan.
Is it Gecko's teacher?
Sorry, what is that?
Gecko's teacher.
Yes, that's right as well. How about another for the last one? How about embasado?
Eagles and hawks, teacher.
Yes, very good. So those answers are correct. Thank you everyone for answering that question. So another trivia from the clips. So can you next it please, teacher Lisa? So here, wow. Do you know everyone in fairy tales, castles are often built on cliffs. We can see castles usually in princess fairy tales, princess cartoons, right? And it's like, oh, so amazing, so beautiful castle, right? But this one, do you know that this helped protect them from enemies long ago and gave them a great view? That's why you can see castles on the cliffs, right? So very amazing and wonderful trivia about the cliffs. All right, since we are done on the cliffs, we will go now to another Earth landform. So let's next, teacher Lisa. All right, so we will go now to the island. So can anyone please read this one? All right, yes, Amayan, please read this for us.
Island. An
Amayan,
island is, oh, sorry. Island.
sure,
Am I
sure, you
audible,
can.
teacher?
Yes, you are. You can read now.
Island. An island is an area of land that is surrounded by water. Islands can be found in all bodies of water from streams and rivers to lakes, seas, and ocean.
All right, thank you for reading that for us, Umayan. So, an island, everyone, we all know this, it's a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. It can be found in oceans, seas, lakes, or rivers. So, islands come in all sizes. Some are tiny, while others are big enough for cities and mountains. But, teacher, how islands are made? I don't know. So, let me explain. So, islands can be formed in a different ways. It could be volcanoes when underwater volcanoes erupt and lava builds up. So it can rise above the water and form an island. For example, Hawaii. That example, do you know that Hawaii is just an island? Yes, right? And also, it could be a broken off land. Sometimes pieces of land break off from a continent and become an island. An example of that is the Madagascar. Yes. And next, the sand and coral buildup. The tiny sea animals called corals can build reefs, and over time, sand piles up to form island. Example of that is Maldives or Maldives. So that's how the islands made. All right, but what animals and plants can be found on island? Can you give me some, my dear pupils? Another hand instead of embosado. All right, can I have kabuna?
Turtles, teacher.
Yes, very good. Turtles. How about delphin?
Seagulls, teacher.
Yes, very good. How about Kizon? Kizon?
Monkeys, teacher.
Yes, very good. And the last one, how about Hapal?
Palm tree, teacher.
Yes, very good as well. You are so very good, everyone, for answering what plants could live on every landforms. Very good. Keep it up. All right. So since we are done to the the plants and animals on the island, another trivia about this one. So can you next, please, teacher Lisa? Another trivia, another learning, right? So yes, here. So here, treasure islands are real in stories. Yes, because many pirate tales talk about hiding treasure on secret island. We thought we just just cartoons, but it is really real and true that some of them pirate will hide a treasure on a secret island. So amazing, and we are so curious, right? What kind of treasure that they are hiding? Wow. All right. Since we are talking to the island, of course, we will go now to the three types or that we can see on an island. Near on the island. So can you please next it, teacher Lisa? All right, the river. So here, the river. Can anyone please read this one for us? Can I have a hand? Yes, Kizon.
River. River is a large natural stream of flowing water. Rivers are found on every continent and on nearly every kind of land.
All right, thank you. So river, everyone, is long. Yes, it's long. It's flowing body of fresh water that usually starts from mountains and flows into lakes, seas, or the oceans. And how it's made? The river begins from the rain and melting snow and all our springs in high places. And the water flows downhill due to the gravity. So that's how the river made. All right. So what do you think could an animal or plants could live in a river? I know we have it's a lot. Yes, you can answer.
Frog, teacher.
Yes, frogs, very common, very good. How about Pilio?
Fish, teacher.
Sorry, what is that?
Teacher.
All right, thank you. How about Dagatan?
Water lilies, teacher.
Yes, that is correct as well. Thank you everyone for answering. So let's go now to another trivia about the river. So can you next it please, teacher Lisa? All right, we have here the Nile River. So as you can see, the Nile River, everyone, is the longest river in the world, and it could found again in the Africa. Wow, another longest again and in Africa again. Wow, very amazing, right? So that is the longest river in the world. See, you can see in the picture it is really long, right? So let's go now to the next one. Can you next it, please, teacher Lisa? Can you next it, please, teacher Lisa? All right, we will go now to the lake. So can anyone please read this one? Can I have a hand to read? Yes, Pilio, you can read now.
Lake. A lake is often a naturally occurring, relatively large and fixed body of water on or near the Earth's surface.
All right, thank you. So lake, my dear pupils, is large body of steel, so not moving. So fresh water that is surrounded by the land. How it made? Of course, lakes can be made by glaciers. Glacier, as again, is a big sheets of ice, volcanoes, or rainwater filling up a hole in the ground. So that is a lake. So what do you think an animal could live in the lake or plants? Can I have Soko?
Ducks, teacher.
Yes, very good. Another hand. Yes, Martirius. Martirius.
Frog teacher too.
Yes, very good. Another hand. How about Corvera? Let's call the
Um,
another hand.
Algae teacher.
Yes, algae or algae. Very good. So those are correct. Those are the things or animals that or plants that could live in the lake. Very good, everyone. So let's go now to another trivia about the lake. So can you next it, please, teacher Lisa? All right, here is the Caspian Sea. So this one is the biggest, all right, the biggest the largest lake that in the world, which is the Caspian Sea. Even though it's called sea, it's actually a lake. Yes, even though it's called Caspian Sea, it's still a lake, right? The largest lake in the world. All right, so can you next it, please, teacher Lisa? We will go now to our last Earth landforms. Yes, this is it. Finally, we are in the last part of our landforms. So, ocean. Can anyone please read this for me? For us? Can I have Helen? Yes, Helen, you can read ocean. All right, I think Helen is having an unstable connection at this moment. So, can I have Sako?
Ocean. The ocean is a large continuous body of salt water that fills a numerous basin on Earth's surface.
All right, thank you. So, oceans, water is also part of our landforms. That's why ocean, is part of it. And it's a huge body of salt water, my dear pupils, that covers most of the earth. Yes, it is very deep and wide. All right. And also, how it made, teacher. Oceans have been around for millions of years and were formed when rain filled low areas of the earth and stayed there and mixing with salt and minerals. That's how it made. So can you give me some animals or plants that could live in the ocean? We have a lot, right? So can I have kabukos?
Sea urchin teacher.
All right, very good. How about Benghot? Can you give me another one?
Fishes teacher.
Yes, very good. How about delphin?
Seagrass teacher.
Yes, that is correct as well. How about hapal?
Coral reefs teacher.
Very good. So those animals and plants that you said are living in the ocean. So very good, everyone, for that answer. So another or last trivia about this Earth landforms. So what is another trivia, teacher, about Earth? Ocean. Let's see, teacher Lisa. Can you next it? Wow, you can see that, right? Because the ocean is so deep, right? That we've only explored about 5% of it. We thought, it's so deep. We thought that it's the final or the ending of the ocean, but no, we just explored 5% of it. And do you know that some of the people are going through space than to the ocean because it is more safe than the ocean. Yes, there is mystery in the ocean, right? And even teacher love us scared in the ocean because they are so deep. All right, so that is the trivia about the ocean. Yes, Kerwell, do you have any question?
No, I'm sorry,
Or
teacher. I misclicked it.
oh, okay. How about you, Helen? Do you have any question for teacher? I think no. All right. Thank you, everyone. So that is the last part of the Earth landform. So can you next it, please, teacher Lisa? So that's it. Very good. And thank you for listening, everyone. Can we all say thank you, Earth?
Thank
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 you,
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 Earth.
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 Thank you, Earth.
All right. Thank you, Earth, because you gave that landforms to us. It's so beautiful. We can enjoy the landforms to that. Wow. Thank you, Earth. And let's go now. Since we are done on our discussion, we will go now. Where? What do you think? Of course, it's Earth's landform quiz time from Teacher Loves. So I think you're ready because you listen very well. So can you next it, please? So this is the instructions. This is a multiple oh, I'm so sorry that I didn't edit this one. Actually, all of this just a 10 questions, but all of this is a multiple choice. All right, you will write your answer on a 1/4 yellow paper. It could be a bond paper as long it is 1/4. All right, and write above of your name quiz one teacher love, so that when we collect your papers we will not be so confused about the quizzes. All right, is it understood, everyone? Can you give me a thumbs up if it is understood? All right, very good. So are you ready to answer the question? Can you next it, please, Teacher Lisa? All right, I think everyone are ready. So please next. So again, each slide or you will have 1 minute to answer the question, or you can give me a thumbs up if you are done. Right? Mm-hmm. So I think you are all done, right? Wow, you're so smart, my dear pupil. So let's go now to the. Oh, I think some of you are not done yet. I think you're done. Okay, next slide, Teacher Lisa, for 3 and 4. Okay, can start. Very fast. Okay, we will next it now. All right, one question only here. Okay. All right, next it, Teacher Lisa. All right, next, Teacher Lisa. All right, next, Teacher Lisa. The last item. All right, I think you are done. So, before checking it, so I will just give you, you will check your paper, of course, but you will write the time today, which is 8:09 p.m. after your signature, all right? So, you will write the time 8:09 and you will check your own paper. So, honesty is the best policy, my dear people. So, next please, Teacher Lisa, so that they can check their papers. Right? This is the correct answers of each. But I know you will perfect this one because you listen very well. So give Teacher Love a thumbs up if you are done checking. All right, I think you're all done. So thank you so much for today, my dear student. We learned so much about landform today. So remember, everyone, that landforms make our world beautiful and exciting. See you in our next adventure, and thank you so much for your hard work. So see you on Monday, everyone. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you,
Bye,
guys.
teacher.
Thank you guys
teacher.
so much for your time. Thank you, Nin and Adi sa pag-record.
Love, ikaw rin kanang mo report ron.
Oh, ako lang. Next Monday pa sila, Day. Pero lesson 2 na. Ako lang lesson 1.
How about sa scores, Dai?
The scores, guys, kuan, i-keep lang ninyo ang paper. Ako lang i-collect sa FTF, ha? Para di na hassle is send. Same lang naman.